everybody, it's Tino here with Prototype. I am working on a 1977 Corvette today, and I figured I would do some videos on how to get the interior back together. I'm working on the e-brake assembly. I actually already have the cable ran. I went underneath the car. I kind of loosened it up just to get me a little bit of play to be able to work with it, and I got that in there. And in order to put this together, it's actually pretty easy. There's a bracket that goes on the front of the assembly like so. And then there's 6 bolts. You got 2 on the bracket, you got 4 on the bracket actually, 2 up front, 2 that go into the e-brake, and then 2 more down here as well. And these bolts are pretty much like this. They are 5/16, and the course is 16, so it's or the thread is 16, so it's a coarse thread. And you just got to put 6 of these right in there, tighten it up, and then that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward and easy. The reason why I'm doing these videos is that I noticed there wasn't a lot of videos out there on this, and I'm not the one that took the Corvette apart, so trying to figure out sometimes gets a little complicated. So I figured I'd do some videos to show anybody else who might be struggling to get some of the interior together. So let's go ahead and get these bolted in. And in order to bolt it in, all you need is a 13mm socket, and that's about it. It's pretty simple. So on this bolt over here, I wasn't able to get a socket in there, so just going to hand tighten as far as I can, and then I have a ratcheting wrench here. And there you have it. E-brake is all assembled, it's all on now. Works pretty good. Thank you guys. I'm going to make some more videos on the 77 Corvette. Maybe I'll do an update on it as well. So we'll see you next time.